Hello friends, welcome to Benchmark Boutique. I'm Cassandra and I'm happy to be crafting with you today. Our project today is Clark's Nutcracker. We are going to be combining our love of nature with our love of crafting. As you can see, our feathered friend here, she is ready to come in our crafting space with us and help us with all of our projects. She is bringing her own supplies. This is a great project that you can customize a lot of different ways. The crafting tool you can include with the design, or you can let it stand on its own, as well as the name tag and the optional hang tag device that you can hook onto the back of the bird if you like, or you can just let the bird stand on her own. Without further ado, let's go ahead and craft together. This is a great place to pause the video, get your materials cut out, and then meet back here and we'll go over the step-by-step assembly process. All right, friends, let's start assembling our bird here. So the first thing we're going to do is glue on the legs, and you're just using that dark gray, and then you're adding the body above. Make sure you get all your glue situated so that you have a nice, good attachment, and make sure that you have lined everything up well. And then we're going to start with the white section of the base of the tail feathers, and we're going to just work our way up step by step from there. Now we're going to add the wing. Make sure you're applying your glue on the right side of the wing so that you're not inadvertently flipping things around. Now, my tip here, once we get to the groups of feathers on the wings, so we have the rest of the tail feathers, and now we're going to get into all the little fringe feathers on the wings. They go together into little sections, and if you build each section one at a time, like you see in the video, and keep your workspace organized with how you're going to lay them out, like you can see happening here, this will go a long way. So I have built the 3 black sections, and now I am building the little gray section, and I'm just going to take my hands and the pieces that I've glued together and just sort of arrange them with my fingers, make sure I'm happy with that, slide them off the bird once I'm happy with how it looks, and keep my organization. I'm just going to keep holding that where I think it goes, add my glue, press it down, and rinse and repeat. That way I have the wings with the realistic feathers, and I also have sort of a little bit of a template. I've built this bird a few times, and I have found that this is the most user-friendly way to build the wing in brick by brick sections. So that is my tip to you to keep your crafting organized. Now we're going to add the beak. Again, make sure that you are applying the glue to the proper side and then add it on. Please pay attention to which is the top and the bottom, because this particular bird does have a unique beak shape. And then I'm going to add the pupil. I'm going to take my white gel pen and add some highlights for character and depth. Attach the eye, and now the little toenails. Now I have made a toenail for each toe, and I'm actually going to leave this back one off. I start to attach, and then I go, oh yes, I'm going to add the crafting accessory tool in the bird's talons. So I decided to leave that one toenail off to keep room for the ornament piece. And there we go. And I've attached the ornament, and we are ready to go. And I decided to make this fancy, and I'm just cutting my twine, adding it to the ornament hang tag that I chose to add. Again, you can customize this as you wish, and just hooking it all together. And there we go. Well, friends, birds of a feather, we craft together. I hope you had a great time today. I know I did. Until we craft again next time, I'm Cassandra with Benchmark Boutique. Happy crafting.